My people, this is me dressed from inside and I'm going out in the cold. And I have here I have the scarf here. I have this thing that I sewed the throw. I have a jacket inside. You see the pink one? And I have a sweater inside. And inside the sweater is a t-shirt. So come with me, let's go outside and see this weather here. Let me get the key. I don't know what shoes I'm putting on today. I think I'm gonna put on the shoes. It's not that heavy, that one. From inside, you already feel hot and burning, but once you get outside, you like it and more. Okay, so I got to tie my shoes. Okay, ready to head outside. Into elevator. Okay. So me waiting at the elevator. Entering the elevator, going down. That is my shoes. Okay, now let's see my shoes. Those are my shoes. And I forgot to put the mitten on, so. Now, I got to pull on my hood. I brought the dog out there. Look everywhere, everybody. Imagine this at the parking lot. When it is pouring like this, it's not really very cold. Oops. But once stay on the ground, I can see our car that side. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. I think I'm gonna get there. My car is not far, but I have to go back. I'm around. see around is the snow. It's just this week. I think this year we have too much snow already, and this is just the beginning. Can you see me? It's just pouring right now. Okay, I think this is our car. This is our car. It has been there for how many days? From once, 3 days here. I did not use it. Been using bus because of the road so nasty. Look at my leg. Look at my leg. Look. Look at the snow. It's very cold. My key fault. So this is the window of the car. So I don't know how I'm gonna. My hand is freezing cold. See, this is the top. See that? So Africa is a blessed land. So anyway, I'm in the car, but I don't. My hand is wet and it's freezing, and the screen on my phone also screen. Look, this is the shield, the windshield. It's covered. So let me see if the car can start. No, the car cannot start. You need to be boost, and I can't boost right now. Okay. Okay, the car is dead. The battery, and it has been there for 3 days without starting it. This is Canada, where people are coming. When you see from afar, you think it's a good place, but the weather is not really what you might think from back home in Africa. It's extreme weather. It's extremely cold at this time of the year, and depend every year. The snow, the amount changes. How much you can get the snow changes. Depend also where you are. In the west, it starts earlier. By late September or October, it starts snow. Or November sometime. Sometime actually start in September, late September. The snow will start until March or April of next year. Sometime it goes up to May or the end of May. Then you will start having changes. Spring will come, and then June you'll start experiencing now summer. But in Ontario, we here people are lucky. The snow pretty much start in December. It's either after the 25th or on the 25th. But this year started earlier. On the 3rd, it was heavy already. Snow up to now remain constant, pouring down. Anyway, I will tell you the story of a snow. So one African who came and encountered the snow. It is interesting story. I'll tell you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.